In 1971, India did not try to take back POK after the war. But in 2025, India showed strong will to bring POK back and fight against terrorism. Namaskar, welcome to Hemis TV. I am Shashi Rai. After a terrorist attack in Pahalgam in 2025, India destroyed terror camps in Pakistan. This created a war-like situation between the two countries. India's use of the BrahMos missile shocked not just Pakistan but the whole world. When Pakistan pleaded for help, even the USA had to step in, and finally a ceasefire was declared. During this time, many people started comparing the 2025 conflict with the 1971 war. The opposition said PM Modi came under US pressure, while in 1971 Indira Gandhi ignored the US and created Bangladesh by defeating Pakistan. Indira Gandhi was praised around the world for her brave leadership in 1971. But in 2025, under PM Modi, India again showed courage and smart strategy, giving Pakistan a strong message. This time too, Pakistan suffered socially and economically. Through Operation Sindoor, India exposed how Pakistan's army supported terrorists. The 1970 war was different. At that time, East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, was facing violence by the Pakistani army. Over 10 million refugees came to India. On 3rd December 1971, Pakistan attacked 11 Indian air bases under Operation Genghis Khan. In reply, India defeated Pakistan in just 13 days and took control of Dhaka. Around 93,000 Pakistani soldiers surrendered. India helped create a new country, Bangladesh. Although the Indian army had captured large areas of Pakistan, India did not take POK. In 1972, after the war, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto signed the Shimla Agreement with India. India returned all captured land and prisoners. Some experts believe Indira Gandhi could have used pressure to take back POK or Kartarpur Sahib, but she chose peace due to international pressure. After the 2025 Pahalgam attack, India launched Operation Sindoor. Some Indian leaders talked about taking POK, but the government made no official statement. When US President Donald Trump claimed credit for ending the war and mentioned Kashmir, PM Modi responded strongly. He said, India will only talk to Pakistan about terrorism and POK. Trade and terror cannot go together.
मैं आज विश्व समुदाय को भी कहूंगा, हमारी घोषित नीति रही, अगर पाकिस्तान से बात होगी तो टेररिज्म पर ही होगी। अगर पाकिस्तान से बात होगी तो पाक ऑक्युपाइड कश्मीर POK.
PM Modi also said India had not contacted anyone to stop the war. It was Pakistan that asked for peace, promising no future terror or military actions. Even though Trump gave many statements, he never said India asked for help. But Pakistan's PM Shehbaz Sharif thanked Trump. In 1971, India has support from the people of East Pakistan. In 2025, India acted alone and Pakistan is now a nuclear-armed country. Still, India went inside Pakistan and took bold steps. PM Modi clearly said nuclear blackmail will not work. India also started stopping the water of the Indus River, sending a strong message. India says all of Kashmir belongs to India and we will get it. Today, Pakistan is facing civil war. Baloch rebels are killing Pakistani soldiers. Balochistan has even declared itself an independent nation. In Sindh, people are protesting against water canal projects. On 20 May, angry protesters burned the house of Sindh's Home Minister. Many people now talk about another division of Pakistan, officially in Balochistan, Sindh and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. This may seem impossible, but no one expected Bangladesh to be born in 1971 either. After Afghanistan is threatening Pakistan and India has clearly said Operation Sindoor is not over, it just paused for now. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Hemis TV. Namaskar.